I'd like to take you on a little journey. If it's safe to do so, close your eyes. Connect to the natural rhythm of your breath and heart rate. Start to feel your body's aliveness. Natural, easeful, connected, and attentive body intelligence. Your somatic and autonomic nervous system is regulating your voluntary and involuntary functioning for you. There is a whole infinite world of intelligence within every cell of your 30 trillion human cells you are composed of within your body. Each cell is alive and transmitting energy and information. Your heart is sending data to your brain, and your brain to your belly, and your belly to the rest of your body. With soft, attentive, and flexible observation, we can begin to imagine and possibly feel this interplay or exchange of energy within our body. It's happening all the time, even while you sleep. You are a world within worlds, as are the forest, oceans, gardens, soil, and cosmos. Layers and layers of intelligent life forms receiving and sending data to create life as we know it. We are estimated to have 30 trillion bacterial cells, in addition to those 30 trillion human cells, and 10 times more virus particles within our human body. We used to think of our organs and cells as being machine-like body parts, not alive with their own intelligence, but alive only because one single life force known as I is operating the human body machine. We also believed trees, fungi, water, soil, and stones weren't alive with their own multifunctioning intelligent cells and life forms. We believed animals had no real intelligence or inherent aliveness other than for food for us to eat. We have come a long way from our Newtonian view of reality and are discovering more and more quantum realities that explore the quantum field, energy medicine, and informational medicine of life as a whole. We are returning to our natural interconnectedness, understanding that there are ultimately no inanimate or lifeless objects, because all things on earth were composed of earth material. Therefore, living, conscious cells. We also now know cells communicate with one another. If everything comes from the earth, and earth is alive, and everything in the material world of form is vibrating with cells, and these cells communicate, then we have the power to communicate with all of reality, and all of reality has the power to communicate with us. Let's slowly, gently, and attentively tune into this cellular functioning as a possibility. No fixed ideas or dogmas, just relaxed, open, and receptive curiosity. Feel your breath and your heart beating. Imagine if everything in form stripped away its external cover, and instead we could see only the cells vibrating and sending signals. The whole world would turn to its cellular nature. What we call ourselves and the air we breathe would blend together and be indistinguishable from one another. So too would the soil, trees, water, stones, mountains, animals, buildings. You get the picture. All of life would be cells. And now let's slowly start to imagine the coverings forming around each cluster of cells, making it distinctive to its family of origin again. So person, plant, animal, etc. We live in a fascinating, intelligent universe. Worlds within worlds. And yet we choose to see with only our eyes. What would life be like if we could consciously choose to open our perception of reality to cellular intelligence? This is where I'll leave you to ponder for yourself. When you are ready, slowly wiggle your toes and fingers and gently open your eyes. Welcome yourself and your cells back to this time and space. Hopefully now seeing from a deeper place.